The CNC glass milling machine ZXX-E0725 has the table of 3 opened sides, so the processing size of glass is unlimited. After its starting, the machine must be home zero. At the same time, the operator fixes the suction according to the size and shape of the glass to be processed. After setting the tool, import the CAD drawing, generate the processing path, and start the glass processing. This video shows the cutouts making and edging function. Compared with cutouts by menu, the damage rate made by our machine is almost zero. The processing speed is fast, and the effect is beautiful.